Section 1.4 Radical equations, equations quadratic in form, and factorable equations. Objective number 1, solve quadratic equations. In example number 1, we want to find the real solution of the equation. What do we see in this example is that the radical and the number 2 is not the radical. So we should separate the radical and the number. I will add both sides by 2. Then I will get 2 on the other side. And we recall the formula in algebra that if we have the n root of a to the n and the n, they are the same, they will cancel out and we will get a. So in our problem, we have the index is 3. We need to cube both sides so that we get rid of the radical. We will have 2x minus 4 left equal to 8. Then very simple, we just go ahead and continue to solve. We add 4 both sides and we divide by 2, so we get the answer is 6. We will check the answer by plug back into original equation. We have 2 times 6 minus 4 minus 2 equal to 0. 2 times 6 is 12 and 12 minus 4 is 8. Cube root of 8 is 2, so 2 minus 2 give us the answer is 0. So we got the true statement. Conclusion is that the solution set is 6, because when we plug back 6 into the original equation, we got the true statement. In example number 2, the radical is already on one side. The x is not radical, the 7 is not radical, is already in the other side. We don't need to separate them, they already separate with the equal sign in the middle. What is the next step is we need to square both sides because the index is 2. We don't see, it means 2 to get rid of the radical. So we get x minus 1. If we remember the formula in algebra, the special product a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is the formula for a minus b squared. Then we will get x squared minus 14x plus 49. If we factor x squared minus 14x plus 49, we will get back to x minus 7. If you don't remember this formula, you just simply do x minus 7 and x minus 7 and FOIL. You will get x squared minus 14x plus 49. We have the x squared in this equation. We think about quadratic formula, quadratic equation. So we will make one side equal to 0. We will minus the x and plus 1. And then we will factor. We try to factor first. So we get x and x. And then 50, we will try as 10 and 5. To get positive 50, they should be both plus or both negative. We're gonna do negative because we get negative 15. Then x minus 10 equals 0, x minus 5 equals 0, x equal to 10, and x equal to 5. We need to check our answer because in this case we may get 1 true and 1 false. Original problem, we will plug 10 first, so we get square root of 10 minus 1 equal 10 minus 7. So square root of 9 equal to 3, and this is the true statement. So x equal 10 is one of the solution. Now we try x equal 5, square root of 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 7. 5 minus 1 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. The other side, the answer is negative 2. And this is not the true statement, this is the false statement. We need to eliminate x equal 5. The solution set is 10.